just got to make sure we don't miss anything.
Right, yeah, you got to make a big change. Right now, it's no big deal. So we tried a new product, and we're fairly impressed with it. That's something we're
Yeah, it was. Oh, hey,
got
when it does latch, it only latches about halfway. So,
obviously, the elephant in the room is we're going to have to put some new latches.
this time on Jester's Garage, we cover the install on a set of ALTMAN Easy Latch bear claws, done by Rob Meacham at the Jalopy Shop. First thing, using the new latch surround, Rob marks the door frame and the old latch hole. And then with a cutoff wheel, he goes ahead and he cuts the hole out, leaving a little extra room so he can grind it to a perfect fit. Next, he uses a small air grinder to make that new latch surround fit perfectly in that door frame.
Probably see you Wednesday.
Okay, sounds good, Jim.
After he has finessed the fit perfectly, he positions the latch surround with magnets so we can get some tack welds. He uses various techniques and tools that requires a constant focus and a set of adjustments. The tacking process continues until Rob is confident that the metal will stay in place during the welding process. Now, with a perfect weld fitment, Rob TIG welds the whole mount, moving around as needed. Then, using the same small air grinder, he levels the weld to a semi-smooth surface, knowing he has full penetration on his welds. He follows up the grinder with a DA to get a very smooth surface. Part of the latch system needs a relief, basically an open-ended slot cut into the cross frame of the door. Notice that this structure is not part of a factory 39 to 46 Chevy pickup door. This one was custom made earlier. At this point, Rob bolts the bear claw assembly into position, and he is ready for the door jamb part of this job. We used to use the big black fatty. Now we use the big blue fatty. It's kind of like using Dykem, but quick and easy. Rob made a sleeve to fit a small drill bit into, and then it fits into the bear claw. And that way he can get that perfect center point that's concentric and dead center to the bear claw. Once the bit is in place and the door is in its perfect position, Rob's ready to make his mark. By spinning the bit, he's able to make a perfect center point that is in line with the bear claw latching system, and also having perfect door alignment. Then, starting with a small bit, he centers the hole and then progressively works up to the appropriate size that is adequate for this job. Then he deburrs the hole with a perfect chamfer. We're not quite sure what happened, but Rob was struggling with the plate that was supplied by the kit. Somehow the threads were messed up. Rob made a new back plate out of some heavy flat bar. This seemed to be a better fit for this application. And after 2 or 3 adjustments, that elephant in the room was gone. These bear claws he installed from ALTMAN, they're the real deal. We're very, very happy with them. And to cap them off, I've designed a special bezel to go over the top, specifically for sarsaparilla. Progressively, I made a whole bunch of different designs on Fusion and ultimately drew up what I really wanted on SolidWorks. I broke it down into plates. We had Cut Send make some various plates out of 1/8 inch and 3/16 that we're going to TIG together, and then ultimately they will be out chromed, and it allows the leather to vanish underneath this bezel. I think they're going to be beautiful. Stay tuned for more content on this absolutely stunning fat fender Art Deco Chevy truck called sarsaparilla. And if you're from the Pacific Northwest and plan on attending some of the indoor car shows in early 2026, I would encourage you to go to Boise or Portland or Spokane. Sarsaparilla will be there in all her glory. Being built by Rob Meacham and his crew at the Jalopy Shop in Lewiston, Idaho. Thanks for watching this episode of Jester's Garage. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Happy hot rodding. I think Evanson.
It's just a little slapstick in there.
Yeah, you gotta have it. 'Cause I think... Welcome to Jester's Garage. So funny.
Jess, have you met a guy that laughs more than me?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
You just got funniness bouncing around your head.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, you're doing a video. You know. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I want to look into it.
What's that? Let me see.
Cool.
What do you got?
Show Jess.
Cool. Polished
Oh yeah.
You have the same deal,
Yeah.
2 corners.
Oh, I see. So yeah, the
they'll both will all
sarsaparilla
be
shows.
polished.
Cool. Oh, that made me nervous. Yeah.
How's this coming?
Good, good. I had a little weld up, touch up here, and then just kind of files out right now.
Yeah. This is for the hood side.
That's for the hood side. This is for the running board top, and then we'll have a pad that sits in there, a pretty hard pad.
Yeah, he was showing me it on the computer.
Oh, sure, yeah. And then the little groove that's in all of this, I guess we'll just leave the color mystery, but it'll get some color in there.
It might
Top
get
set,
some
yeah.
different color that accentuates it like a pinstripe does, like a maroon or a red sorts.
Sure,
Those.
yeah. Oh, red, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, it'll actually, you'd be surprised. It'd look
Oh,
good.
yeah, it would look good, for sure.